Hi, today's topic is trigonometry. Before going to topic, just look at this picture. We all flying a kite. Suppose you are flying a kite and you want to know the distance of an kite from the ground, or you think sometime how high your kite is flying. Can you calculate the distance? No, you cannot calculate the distance physically, right? Some objects that are very far from us or very tall, we cannot calculate the distance physically. So in such a cases, we use the mathematical term is trigonometry. So trigonometry is an Greek word in which the tri means 3, gon means the angle or a side, and the metry means the measurement. Including these all, the trigonometry means triangle measurement. In short, trigonometry means the triangle measurement. Okay. Every triangle has 6 elements, 3 angles and 3 sides. So trigonometry specially deals with the right angle triangle. This is an right angle triangle. Okay. Now we see properties of right angle triangle. First property is one of the angle of right angle triangle is 90 degree, called as right angle. Second property is the opposite side of that right angle is called as hypotenuse. And the third property is the sum of other two angles equal to 90 degree, because we all know the sum of all three angles of any triangle equal to 180 degree. Now this is an right angle triangle. In this angle is 90 degree. The opposite side of that is this side is called as hypotenuse. Now remaining these two angles. So suppose this angle is not equal to 90 degree, right, or less than 90 degree. So we consider this angle as an theta. In maths, for unknown angle, we consider it as theta. Okay. If we consider this angle theta, then we call this side as an opposite side, and this side will be the adjacent side. Suppose you consider this side as an theta, then this side will be the opposite side and this side will be the adjacent side. So clear what is theta? Theta is nothing but the unknown angle. Okay. Now see what we have to calculate. When we look at this picture, you can see this make an right angle triangle, right? We have to find out the distance of an kite from the ground. Then suppose the string length is nothing but hypotenuse of a triangle. So suppose the string length is 55 meters, suppose, and the angle that made by this kid with the ground is 30 degree, and we have to find the length of an kite from the ground. So there is one formula that we use to calculate the opposite side or the length. Okay, there are some formulas we use in the trigonometry that we see later on. The formula that we use here is sin theta equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is sin 30, opposite side we don't have, and the hypotenuse is 55 meter. So opposite side equal to sin 30 into 55. The value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now you will be thinking how I get this value of sin 30 1 by 2. So in trigonometry there is one table. From that we get the values of sine, cos, tan and cosec. How we get this value? There are some derivation to to evaluate the value of sine, cos, tan and cosec, that we see later on. But for now, the value of sine 30 is 1 by 2 into 55. So the answer is 27.5 meter. So this is the length of opposite side. Means the length of an kite from the ground is 27.5 meter. Now you understand what is trigonometry and why we use trigonometry. Trigonometry is nothing but the triangle measurement, and trigonometry is specially used for the right angle triangle measurement. And why we use trigonometry? When we have to calculate the object that is very far from us and very tall, where we cannot calculate the distance physically, in such a cases we use the term trigonometry.